Hello and welcome to Cybernova. In this video tutorial, we are going to explore how to find a company's domains and subdomains using Netcraft. Netcraft is a web service that provides information about the infrastructure, technology, and history of any website. In this video, we will use Netcraft to extract the domains and subdomains of EC Council, a leading organization in cybersecurity, certification, and training. Domains and subdomains are part of the critical network infrastructure for any organization. A domain is a unique name that identifies a website on the internet, such as eccouncil.org. A subdomain is a subdivision of a domain that can be used for different purposes, such as blog.eccouncil.org or store.eccouncil.org. A company's domains and subdomains can provide much useful information such as organizational history, services and products, and contact information. A public website is designed to show the presence of an organization on the internet and is available for free access. Knowing the domains and subdomains of a target website can help us understand its structure, functionality, and scope. It can also help us identify potential vulnerabilities and attack vectors that can be exploited by malicious actors. For example, an attacker can use the list of subdomains to perform web application attacks such as injection attacks, brute force attacks, and denial of service attacks. To find the domains and subdomains of a target website using Netcraft, we need to follow these steps. First, we are going to launch any browser on our virtual machine. In this video, I am using Mozilla Firefox. In the address bar of the browser, type https://sitereport.netcraft.com and press enter. The What's That Site Running page loads. This is where we can enter the URL of the target website and get its site report. In the cookie pop-up, click on Accept and Continue. To extract information associated with the organizational website such as infrastructure, technology used, subdomains, background, network, etc., type the target website's URL in the text field. In this case, we will type https://www.eccouncil.org and then click the lookup button. The site report for https://www.eccouncil.org page appears, containing information related to background, network, hosting history, etc. This page gives us a lot of details about the target website, such as its IP address, server software, SSL certificate, DNS records, hosting provider, and more. In the network section, we can see the domain's name of the target website in the domain field. This is eccouncil.org in our case. To view the subdomains of this domain, we can click on the website link in this field. The result will display subdomains of the target website along with netblock and operating system information. We can see that there are many subdomains under eccouncil.org. This concludes the demonstration of finding the company's domains and subdomains using Netcraft. We have learned how to use Netcraft to get a comprehensive site report of any website and how to find its domains and subdomains. We can use this information to further analyze the target website and its network infrastructure. You can also use other tools such as Sublister, pentest tools, find subdomains, etc. to identify the domains and subdomains of any target website. These tools use different sources and methods to find subdomains, such as DNS enumeration, search engines, web scraping, brute forcing, etc. Close all the open windows and document all the acquired information. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on how to find the company's domains and subdomains using Netcraft. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cybersecurity tutorials. See you in the next video.